Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome back to the channel. Got some more lights for you. You guys know that I teamed up with Hyperlite for the shop. They sent me one. I purchased 5. We did 6 of the UFO lights back there, and then I also have one of their outdoor lights. It's a night light above my shop door. If you guys want to check them out, they do have a website. They are on Facebook, they are on TikTok, they are on Instagram. So I will have their links down in the description for all their social media. They have a new wall light out, and I wanted to take a minute and show this to you. This is one of their test products off of Instagram. They asked me if I would like to test this out, and I told them sure, I need one for the front garage up here out by the driveway. So what this is like I said, it's a wall light. It is 80 watt, this one here is, and it is a 5K, but this is something new that they've come out with. It's an easy hookup, and it's in a matter of minutes you can have this light up and running. Like I said, this is Hyperlite. This is their LED wall pack. You can see up top there, it is a dusk to dawn, easy hookup. It's a flip top. And it's just the 3 wires in there. So right now we're gonna go ahead and get this opened up and see what it looks like and everything that comes in the package. Like I said, it is the 80 watt and it is a 5K. And then for mounting it up there on my wall, I'm going to be using one of these wall mounts for it. It's gonna stand it off, but the way this looks, this door swings open, so you want to make sure and have it spaced away from your wall to begin with. So you got your warranty information here. You got your spec book. And then you have your light itself. So go ahead and get this out of the box and see what this thing looks like. Alright, upon getting it out of the box, we got a plastic lens, we got a bronze aluminum housing. It does come with a Allen wrench that was down the bottom of the box to be able to open up your access door. This is what I was talking about with this cover on. It's just a switched light. But if you take this cover off, then we got a dusk to dawn light, which makes it pretty nice. If you want to have it on dusk to dawn, leave that cap off of there, put that on, and it makes it switched. I do have that on the shop light back there as well. That's one thing that I do like about their lights. So if you want to use it switched, like I said, or dusk to dawn, it's pretty nice. Just got the single socket head for opening the door. It does come off as well. You got some hinged pins back here. Gets captured on the top side right there. You have 3 different access points for your wire. These just screw in. We're going to be using this back one right here, and then you pop that out from the side right there if you so choose to use the top access, and then it does have the cutouts on each side for each one of your sides. It is a sealed door. As your lens comes down, it plugs into this bottom circuit, and you got your line and your load and your ground right here. It doesn't look like they're a push-in. Looks like they have little set screws. Just small little bladed set screws. So it's going to work out pretty good. We're going to leave it probably switched since I'm going to have it on the front of the garage instead of running it dusk to dawn. It is dimmable as well if you so choose. So right now, and one thing that is nice, my other light on the back of the garage that they have, I have one of the wall packs. It has a level in there so you can make it nice and level. So we'll go ahead and take and get this set up out there on the garage on the front, and then put this piece in, wire it up, and then all we got to do is go out there, put the top door on, close it, tighten the bolt up, and it's as simple and easy as that. Okay, this is what I'm replacing. Just an old 2-lamp halogen, kind of adjustable. This is what we've got done so far. At the risk of falling off the ladder. I just mounted the box up there. We do have the wires stubbed out. And I'm gonna go up there and put that backer plate on. And then I'll go up there and show you how it wires in. Pretty quick and easy installation. Like I said, you have the set screws in there. You just slide your wire in the top, you tighten up your little set screw on your line, your load, and your neutral, and you're ready to go. See, I've got the box mounted to, or the backer plate mounted to the electrical box. Both of them are foam back to keep everything sealed. The base plate on the light and the electrical box both have foam on them to keep everything watertight. So I'll just go back down the ladder, grab the top, get it slid on, tighten up the Allen head right there, and we'll see how it looks. The first footage you're going to see is the halogen light that was up there, and then the second is going to be the new 80 watt LED wall pack from Hyperlite. So this is what we're working with before. And we're gonna go from this. All right, and then this is the Hyperlite wall pack. You see, that's much better. Fans out to the side quite a bit more as well. All right, this is Hyperlite's newest wall pack they have available. Very simple and easy installation. I would highly suggest it. I have a lot of their products already. I'm very impressed with everything that I've used from Hyperlite. Like I said, this is a 5K 80 watt, 110 volt. Very simple installation. If you guys remember, I showed you just this little set screws for your line, your load, neutral, and that's all there is to it. Bring it down, and very simple, easy installation. So you guys get a chance. They are on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. They do a website. Links will be in the description if you guys want to check them out. With that being said, pretty much all I have for tonight. So if you don't mind, hit that like button, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already done so, and we'll see you guys in the next one.